Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment on my videos. Now I want to show you guys how to link your company email to your mobile device. If you're using Android or iOS, it's still the same process. Okay, now why this video is very essential for you guys is if you have a company email or you have a company website and you don't want to go through the logging in and logging out through your PC or through a link, and it's just best you get a notification on your mobile device. And how can you do this is by linking your company email to your mobile phone, which is the third party section. Now, and all hosting company always provide a situation, or let me just put this, always provide connectivity for users to be able to link their company email to their mobile device. Now you can see, so I just show you guys, I just shared my view screen with my mobile phone and also my laptop. I just want you guys to understand this section better. I just want to show you guys the process. Okay, so the next section is just go to your company email you created. Now this is my company email I've created. Now once you create your company email, the very first email you get is your mobile email configuration section. You can see now this is Hostinga. You can see connect app and devices. Now if you're using cPanel, once you go to your create email account, if you created the email account, you see something like a link to connect to a mobile phone, or once you enter your webmail, let me just show you guys something. So guys, if you're using Hostinga, now you see something like connect apps to device the moment you created your account. If you're using cPanel, I just open a new cPanel section. If you're using cPanel, once you create your email account, the very first email you get is your email configuration section, and that's what you use to link your website. Now for instance, I click on this section here. I can see this is Hostinga and this is the email configuration section. Okay, now if you click on smartphones and tablets, now I'm using iOS device. It's still the same process though. You click on this section, they'll show you how you'll be able to set this up. Okay, as you can see, it's still the same. Now you see app auto configure, set up Apple device. Now if you're using Hostinga and iOS, it's very easy to do. You just use your barcode and scan. Okay, once you scan it, you can see the process, right? It's quite easy to do using Hostinga, but I just want to show you guys how to do this if you're not using Hostinga. Okay, if you're not using Hostinga, now Hostinga provides you an easy section on configuration within your mobile phone and your webmail, which is very easy just to scan the information. But if you're using a separate cPanel, like for instance this cPanel, now this is the information you get. So how can you be able to link this together? And this is just the idea. Okay, let me just go back to Hostinga. Let me go back to Hostinga. Now this is the setup section. So this is our main information here. Okay, now let me open my mobile phone device. Let me go to Gmail. Since this is my Gmail, let me just open a new account. Go to add another account. So instead of what you next you do is you just keep this section, go to order. Now the email address you want to add. So this is my email address I want to add. Okay, I'll copy my email address you created. I'll paste it. Then I'll click on next section. Now you said enter a valid email address. So what happened here was there was space behind it, so it will show error. So I'll click on next, as you can see. And so once you copy and paste your information, once you copy, there might be space. So they show you take it back, so there won't be no space like this. Okay, after you've done this, now the password you created while creating your company email, you just copy the exact password and I'll paste it here. So I'll paste it here. Now the IMAP server, IMAP server, you can see the port here. This is the IMAP server we're talking about. So I'll just copy this information. This is the IMAP server. I'll copy this and paste it here. Now if you're using cPanel, you see the same thing. This is the IMAP server. You can see the same process. So as long as you're watching my video, you get it. Now the IMAP server, you can see, let's just use SSL, and this is what you do here. Then click on next section. Now it takes you to outgoing server, which is the SMTP. You come here, you copy your SMTP. You can see. Now this is for SSL and TSL, which is correct. Do not go to this down section. This is correct, okay? Then you click on next section. Now your account is set up, and emails are on their way. Now you set up your account. Let me just put the account name Big Giant Tech. Then I'll click next. As you can see, this is very easy to set up. It's very easy to set up. Now this is setting this up using your mobile device. Now this is one way to do this, okay? This is one way to do it. You can see we've set up our webmail. Now this is a stinger. Now this is a stinger, as you can see. Now I want to show you guys how you're able to also link this to your desktop email. Okay, now this is for mobile phone. Let me show you guys how you're able to link this to your desktop email. So let me just take this out. So I just deleted that on my mobile phone. So let me show you guys how to set this up using your desktop section. Now this is my desktop. So once you come to your Gmail, just go to settings. Then click on see all settings. Now the next section here, let's say, keep scrolling. So what we just need to do here is go to account and imports, and this is account and import section. So once you come to account and imports, now let's say you need to add another email account. Check mail for other accounts. Like you can import mail and contacts. We're not doing this import. Here is add another account section here, right? Now you click on we want to add another email address. You're adding another mail account. You click on add a mail account. Now I'll just copy this is your mail account you want to add, which is your webmail. Copy this section and paste it here. Ensure there is no space, okay? Then click next. As you can see, you can either import emails to your Gmail box or link accounts using Gmail file. So we're importing it to my email box, right? So whenever users, whenever we get an email from our webmail, it's being imported to our Gmail. You get it? So import emails from here. I'll click on next. Now your password you use to create your company email, copy this password and paste. Now the POP server, that is POP server. Now go to your stinger. Now this is your POP server. Now remember, when using your mobile device, we use IMAP. But if we're using PC, it will be POP3. And this is your POP server. Okay, you copy this section. You go back to the settings section here. Sorry. Come back to this section here and paste it. Now the port number here should be, let's say, 995, right? So it's 995. Now leave a copy or retrieve message on the server. Always use the secured connection. Yes. Label incoming message as Big Giant Tech. Yeah. I'll click on add account. Okay, sorry, we made a mistake. So copy this section again. Put it here as the username. Okay. Then for the password, do the same thing. So I'll paste it here. Then go to add account again. Okay, you can see you already have an account for support because I already linked this to my mobile phone already. So let's do something else. So let me use this cPanel on to do it. So let me copy this section here. and let's link this. So let's link this. Add a mail account. Let me paste this email and take this next. I'll take this to next, and let me impute this should be the email, your email username here. So let me copy the IMAP. This is the IMAP section. It's the same thing. Now this is the POP section. Sorry, it's still the same. POP here is 995. Still the same server link. Okay. So for the password section should be this. We just created our password. Then the POP server here is 995, and the POP server incoming link is still the same thing as this. So I'll just click leave a copy always, and I'll click add account. Now for the one on Big Giant Tech, we've already created for the mobile section, so it's the same process. All what I just need to do here is add an account as to my mobile phone, because I already added it to a Gmail already, so it's easy to do. Now this is your email account has been added. You can retrieve email. Yes, I want to be able to send email also as this. I'll click next. Now the name for the email, I'll use this name, then click next. And for the SMTP server here is as you can see, this is your SMTP server, right? This is it. Now let me put my email password. Now for the SMTP, here is mail dot. So this is your SMTP server. Now this 587 is for TLS. We're not using TLS. You can use it though, but let's just take this to SSL, which is 465, and this here should be your email. Sorry, it should be your email. And I'll click what add account. As you can see, now confirm verification and add your email address. Now we've added the email successfully, and we've been sent an email address to confirm email link to our email address. Now let me just reload here. So as you can see, our email has been sent. Now this is the email we received from Gmail. You can see it right now. Confirm the email request. Now just click on any of the link. So once you click on this, now please confirm disallowing of sending email support. Click here to return to. Please confirm disallowing of sending mail as. You can leave it this way. You get it. Now let us go straight. Let me just navigate to this section. As you can see, my Big Giant Tech was added successfully because we already added it on Gmail through our mobile phone, so there's no need to go through this process. Why this email, as you can see, the email has been added already. You can see it has been added already, meaning you can send us this email. You can send using support you get it. So basically this is what you do on how to add your company email to your mobile phone and to your desktop computer. Very easy as that. If you like this video, please guys hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on my YouTube platform Big Giant Tech. See you guys in the next video.